This next problem features my favorite drink of all time, which is Diet Coke. So the problem says, what is the area of a Diet Coke can sitting on Professor Moore's desk when the Coke can is exerting 2.5 pascals of pressure on the desk at a force of 0.48 newtons? Again, we're going to use that same pressure formula. So pressure equals force divided by area. The problem tells us that we have a pressure of 2.5 pascals, that we have a force of 0.48 newtons, and then it's asking us what is the area. And so we're going to use that same formula. We're going to fill in what we know. So 2.5 pascals equals force, which is 0.48 newtons, divided by X for area. And so I don't want you guys to freak out when the variable that we do not know is in the denominator. There's a really easy trick to remembering how to rearrange this equation. So you're always going to switch places with the X and whatever is on the other side of the equal sign. After you rearrange it, this little shortcut ends up being exactly the same as how it would be when you rearranged it. So the problem will now look like X equals 0.48 newtons divided by what was on the other side of the equal sign, which is 2.5 pascals. And so you can put it into your calculator just like that. 0.48 divided by 2.5, and that is going to equal an area of 0.192 meters squared.